What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the rotate animation in the Alight Motion. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to install this Alight Motion, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And after the installation process, then you can simply open it and you can start to activate the 7 days of free trial to get the full access trying out this Alight Motion. And you don't need to do the login with your email, you just need to activate it anyway, and you will see the benefit that you will get when you already activate that free trial. And this will be the home page or the introduction of this Alight Motion. And you can start to click this plus, which is the clicking the new project or to start off the new project. And you can also give the name of your project and also choose the ratio and choose the resolution, frame rate, and also the background color. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can continue to click this create project. And after that, it will direct you into this section, which is the blank page. And after that, you can start to click plus over here, and you will see you can start to put everything in this canvas, let's say, or this blank page, such as the shape and also the media, which is the video or the picture in your device. Put the audio, object or element, and also the template. And for example, I will choose this shape. And if you would like to enlarge this shape, don't worry, you can go to this move and transform over here, and you can click this menu, which is kind of the maximize the look like this. And the next step will be creating the circular or rotation animation or rotation motion. So you can start to click this section first. And after that, keep this section being activated or being selected. And after that, I will give the is kind of the keyframe from this point or this second into this second. And after that, you can click the it's kind of the rotation effect like this to be, let's say, 360. And when you play it, voila, this will be the rotation effect, guys. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try creating the rotation animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.